Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have shown how to create a job. Right now, you are seeing our program is almost in the end. The total analysis time were 6 seconds. Right now, it's in 4.62. So, in this video, I will show you how to visualize the steps while running the jobs. So let me just cross it. Okay, so click here, open binary post file. So you will see some model plot results. If we go here, look, this is the animations. Let's click this one and you will see the vertical pressure is going. You can choose this window from here. This is the bottom view, this is the isometric view, so choose this one, the bottom view. You see the axial loading is acting, then the lateral loading is started. So you can see here the rubber pad isolator is separating from the top surface because there are no bonding in between them. So this is the animations. So let's just pause it now. You can go to the last step using this button. Right now the how many steps are gone? 217. You can click OK, click this one, you can create jobs, run, and you'll see right now we have the model has run through 132 steps. We have defined 300, so we still need around 68 steps more. So we again go to the open binary post file. So if you want to go to any specific step, so click here and you will see this is our steps. So you can go from here, what is the shape at 220, what is the shape at 229, or you can say where is the shape at 103, etc. Then you can also plot a graph while running the software. So go here, click this one, history plot, then all increment. This means it will collect all the data from all increment. So click this one, so the increments results are collecting. Then click add curves, the data carrier tab. The top surface was carrying the load, so this one should be a contact body, and the contact body is top. The variable, we have to apply the load in position X, and the data carrier tab, let's choose contact pair. We'll choose the contact pair, the top with the L2 or L1 to bottom, anything. Okay, so contact pair L2 to top, use this one variable, and we have to plot the graph. So we want force versus displacement, so this one is the y-axis part. So for the y-axis we will use the tangential force, and for the x-axis this is position X. So click add curve, right click on here, and we'll see this is the curves. Right now it's not finished. Right now this is only how many steps? 231. Still we have to go for around 60 more steps. So if you don't want to show this number, you can click here 0. You can see this is our graph. Click this one, let us just close this one, and you can see this is the curves. Okay, that's how you can visualize the model while running the analysis. Let us just click this one, close results 5 again, click job 1, run. open binary post file. Right now it's all is still in 232. So open binary post file, and you can go for path plot or etc. Let us go for model plot, and if you go here, you can go to scalar plot and the style. So we can choose this one, contour bands. You can see the displacement of x. So let us just play the animations, and you can see the red color means the highest displacement, the blue color means the lowest displacement. So there is some displacement is going, that's why it's color in red, and there is no displacement in the negative direction, that's why it's in the blue. So the load is applying and that color is changing. So here you can visualize the value of this deformation etc is in the contour bands. Okay, so in the next video we'll after completing the whole analysis, we'll show how to plot the load versus deformation curve from the analysis. Till now, goodbye.